Are you looking for the best possible way to naturally last longer in bed? Every single day in my office I have guys asking me this exact question in hopes that they can find a way to fix their lack of stamina. As you all know, there are tons of products on the internet that can help you temporarily stop premature ejaculation and make you last longer, but they really do nothing over the long term. In fact, most of these products are creams, sprays, lotions, and the like that you apply prior to having sex. Think about how embarrassing and awkward it would be to say, "Excuse me, I need to take a moment and rub this anti-ejaculation cream on before we do this." Besides that, you have to constantly be thinking about when to have sex and have the right timing down. Nothing kills the mood like last longer creams and sprays. Taking sprays, lotions, potions, and creams out of the equation, what are you actually left with? You are left with natural methods that can help you permanently improve your stamina in bed and help you last longer. The only problem here is it will take practice and some effort. Now everyone wants an easy fix, but if you do this right, you can find ways to last longer in bed every single time. Also, when you learn these methods, you can throw all the creams and sprays in the trash. Even further, the newly acquired skills you get from hard work and practice will last with you a lifetime, and will allow you to last longer in bed from that point forward. Imagine not having to worry about premature ejaculation ever again. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Well, here are some easy exercises that will help you increase your stamina in bed. Natural exercises to increase your stamina in bed. Almost every one of you has heard of something called Kegels exercises. Oftentimes we think these are for women. However, when men do them, we are able to control our ejaculation like never before. The muscles that are worked during Kegels are called the pubicocccygeus muscles, PC muscles. They are muscles of the pelvic floor that help stop premature ejaculation and last longer in bed. So Kegels go like this. You just are squeezing and contracting the pelvic floor muscles, PC muscles, for a period of time and then releasing them. If you need to find your PC muscle, go to the restroom. Next, start to urinate and then stop midstream. There is a muscle that has to contract in this process. That is your PC muscle. You will feel it squeeze. Some people will even compare the feeling to your bowels being contracted and moved upwards. Either way, this is your PC muscle, and now you know where the muscles are that control your ejaculatory response. A great way to train the PC muscles with Kegels. Here is what you can do to start working the PC muscles and start lasting longer in bed. Get yourself to the point where you have a full erection. Try making your PC muscle contract at this time. It will make your penis go fling up a bit. Now place a small towel at your penis tip. Now try contracting the penis again, this time making the penis and towel move up and down. Do this for 10 reps in each day, and over time try working your way up to 25 contractions over a few weeks' time. Doing this alone will greatly strengthen your PC muscles and really help you stop premature ejaculation and help you permanently last longer in bed. No quick fixes, just amazing results.